The Dow roller coaster isn't over yet. Now, it's recovered after dropping sharply this morning and into the afternoon. And then yesterday, of course, it surged more than 1,000 points, even though the session before that was one of the worst Christmas Eves in the history of Wall Street. You following all that? Morgan Brennan is. She's co-anchor of Squawk Alley on CNBC. You can't make this stuff up. It's crazy. So what's going on now? I mean, we're obviously thrilled to see it back in positive territory, but it looked like a disaster not so long ago.
Strap on your seatbelts. It's been another wild ride today on Wall Street. The fact that the Dow is up right now 176 points may not seem like a lot after that 1,000-point gain we saw in the Dow yesterday. That said, at the lows of the session, we were down more than 600 points, the equivalent of 2% losses again today for the Dow and other major averages. So to see the Dow and the S&P in positive territory, the NASDAQ right near the flat line today is actually an incredible comeback. Keep in mind, there's not a lot that has changed in terms of headlines or in terms of fundamentals for this market right now. You still have the U.S.-China trade risks. You still have the Fed and rising rates. You still have worries about the global economy and whether you're going to potentially see economic growth here in the U.S. slow down. All of these things are still sort of swirling around. But with the averages down 10% so far for the month of December, perhaps it's not surprising. You could even call it promising to see buyers coming back into this market in this final moments of trading.
CNBC's Morgan Brennan, never a dull moment. We thank you for coming on. Appreciate it.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.